Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza in an LG microwave. First, gather all your ingredients, like a pre-made crust, sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings. Make sure your LG microwave has a convection or combination cooking mode, which is essential for a crispy crust. Also, grab a microwave-safe, oven-safe dish or a pizza stone to cook on. This preparation ensures a smooth and delicious pizza-making experience. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by spreading a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the crust, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, generously add your preferred toppings, such as shredded cheese, fresh vegetables, and any pre-cooked meats. Remember, don't overload the pizza. A moderate amount of toppings helps ensure everything cooks evenly and gets perfectly crispy. With your pizza assembled, carefully place it into your LG microwave, ideally on a low rack if available. Next, select the convection or combination cooking mode, which mimics a traditional oven and is key for a crispy crust. Set the temperature to approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit and begin cooking for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it, as cooking times can vary slightly depending on your microwave model. Once the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly, your pizza is ready. Carefully remove the hot pizza from the microwave using oven mitts to prevent burns. Place it on a cutting board and let it cool for a few minutes. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and makes for easier slicing. Now, cut into delicious slices and enjoy your homemade LG microwave pizza.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.